Adobe Premiere Pro is still one of the most powerful video editing programs in 2026. It's used by YouTubers, filmmakers, businesses, editors, and content creators all over the world for professional video production. But if you're a beginner, the interface can feel a little overwhelming at first. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to use Premiere Pro step by step. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Once the software loads, click New Project to start editing. Now choose a project name and select where you want the files to be saved on your computer. Before editing, it's important to understand the main sections of Premiere Pro. So you'll mainly work with the timeline, project panel, preview monitor, and editing tools. To start editing, import your video clips, images, music, or audio files into the project panel. And that's your full beginner's guide on how to use Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to edit videos, organize projects, and create professional content using Adobe Premiere Pro.